Hi, Omzak here with a little tutorial on how to use this plugin. Okay, let's dive into this. First, be sure you have the latest version of WordPress on your website. Then go to plugins, add a plugin, type in Elementor. Then install. Activate the plugin. Go to add a new plugin, upload plugin, choose your file on your computer, open it, install now, then activate the plugin. Now you see you got two plugins. Then you go to your post, make a new post, give it a name, publish it, then go to edit with Elementor. Then you see there's your plugin, drag and drop it in the container. Then you choose an image. If you don't have one, upload one. Select on your computer. You can select image and video at the same time. It just shows the image. Select it. Then you can go to the size and shape to make it a little bit bigger or smaller, what you prefer. Go to the settings again. Choose the video. You see it's there. Select the video, and there you go. Publish it. Click on the little eye to preview it, and there it is. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy it, and come back sometime. See ya!